What is high-performance computing? You might have heard of supercomputers, the vast, expensive machines that work on some of mankind's biggest problems. Tens of thousands of processors clustered together to make a single machine that can undertake billions of calculations per second to undertake advanced modelling of the real world. 2 decades ago, these machines would be unaffordable to all but the largest tech-focused businesses. And even now, for most, they are still out of reach. But we are working to make high-performance computing accessible to more and more businesses, especially small and medium-sized businesses facing new industrial challenges that need new ways of finding solutions. By pulling together the combined power of that cluster, they can deliver far greater performance at speed, helping to solve problems far larger than any one single computer could. But how might high-performance computing apply to you? Perhaps you are a small manufacturing firm who uses design and manufacturing software to optimize molds for casting, mixing, or material flows. With high-performance computing, you can reduce the time and cost of physical prototyping and make optimization much easier. The automotive, aviation, pharmaceutical, and food manufacturing sectors are already keen adopters of the practice. Maybe you're a small financial services firm and you want to develop a tailored investment strategy that works for both the current market and your client's risk tolerance. High-performance computing can give you the power to handle large amounts of complex data and provide your client with smart solutions. Maybe you want to get to grips with optimizing your supply chain and make the best possible decisions about how your product is manufactured and distributed. High-performance computing is being used to change how we explore the seabed for oil and gas. It's helping us to identify new materials and new methods of storing energy. It's giving us a better understanding of biological processes, and it's central to the development of new medicines. The possibilities are endless, and it's not just for businesses. It can also help power the solutions to complex challenges within the public sector, handling large amounts of data that our expert data scientists can use to inform smarter transport systems, healthcare provision, and law enforcement. And this is all supported by the huge strides we have made in artificial intelligence, or AI. Because it adapts and evolves as more data is provided, AI can make the most of high-performance computers, working hand in hand to undertake problem-solving tasks. So if you have a particular problem you'd like to address, or if you're looking to optimize your business, high-performance computing can help.